When responding to a call for an unknown gas or vapor, the most important question you need answered is, what is it? The GasID helps you get answers in minutes. As Sensor Technologies, we brought you the Traveler HCI and the Hazmat ID, portable chemical identifiers that identify solids, liquids, and powders in seconds. Now, as Smith's Detection, we present the GasID, a portable gas and vapor identifier that identifies over 5,500 unknowns in minutes. The GasID is the perfect addition to an emergency responder's toolbox. It provides rapid identification of potentially hazardous gases and vapors, filling a very important gap other gas meters leave due to the fact that they can only detect, or at best classify, unknowns. The GasID is based on the same easy-to-use, proven technology as the Hazmat ID. It is a highly specific tool that measures how gases and vapors interact with infrared light. Each gas has its own unique fingerprint, which when analyzed by the GasID's onboard computer results in an identification in less than 2 minutes. Identifying an unknown gas allows responders to secure the scene, resolve the situation, accurately monitor the atmosphere of an incident, and help medical personnel determine definitive care for patients. How does the GasID work? The GasID allows users 2 modes of sample collection: thermal desorption for low concentrations and Tedlar bags for high concentrations. A pump is used to pull contaminated air through a tube containing sorbent material that grabs a chemical sample out of the air. The tube is then taken through decon and to the GasID, where the tube is heated to release the sample and the IR spectral analysis is conducted. Thermal desorption provides a way for gases and vapors to easily be captured and isolated, then identified at low concentrations. Highly concentrated samples can be acquired and analyzed with standard Tedlar bags. Simply attach a Tedlar bag to the GasID's pump or your PID meter and collect a sample. Once the bag is full, it can be brought directly to the system and the gas can be pumped into the GasID for IR spectral analysis. The GasID can identify over 5,500 gases and vapors, which include toxic industrial chemicals, chemical warfare agents, volatile organic compounds, flammables, and non-flammables. The GasID provides critical information that allows you to perform accurate LEL readings of flammables, perform accurate PID readings of low-level toxics, select the correct colorimetric tubes for quantification, identify high ionization potential products. Smith's Detection has instituted a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week reach-back service to provide assistance in the identification of compounds as well as support on system operation and troubleshooting. A next-day loaner system is available if your system should ever need service. On-site and regional training is available. The GasID features an embedded computer with an integrated touchscreen interface. Battery power for over 2 hours of use in the field. In the battery compartment you'll see an Ethernet connection, PS2 connection for keyboard and mouse, a standard USB connection, power port, as well as a fuse. The GasID sample interface allows for 2 modes of analysis. First, for low concentrations, the thermal desorption tube holder. Inside the thermal desorption tube holder is a sorbent tube. This sorbent tube is what traps the compound of interest. Now I'll take you through how to run a quick sample with the thermal desorption tube. The first step is to take the thermal desorption tube and break the ends. Once the ends are broken, you insert the glass portion of the tube into the holder first. Take the tube and insert it into the holder. Now the holder is sealed for analysis. The tube holder module is plugged onto the sampling pump. Sampling pump is turned on. We recommend pumping for at least 10 minutes for the sample. Once the sample is collected in the hot zone, The sampling tube holder assembly can be separated from the sampling pump and passed through decon. Once the tube holder assembly has gone through decon, it could then be placed on the GasID for analysis. The fitting should snap into place. The green LED light indicates that the sample module is completely engaged. The GasID system features easy-to-use software with large buttons and large, easy-to-read text. Here we'll run a sample using the thermal desorption module. We'll hit the Start button to begin our analysis. The software will check which module is connected to the system. Here you'll see the tube holder module has been recognized by the system. We'll press the Continue button to proceed to the analysis. The tube is heated to 180 degrees centigrade. You'll note the temperature in the red box here. As the tube approaches temperature, the background collection will automatically begin. Once the background is collected, the Continue button will appear in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. We'll hit Continue to proceed. The software will automatically turn the pump on and introduce the sample into the gas cell. Once the sample is analyzed, the onboard computer will search the spectrum against the onboard database and provide a hit list. Here you'll notice acetone is our top hit. A visual comparison will allow you to look at the actual spectra and overlay the spectra to compare the peaks. You'll note that there's a very good correlation. Hit the Done button when you are finished looking at the data. Once you are finished with the analysis, hit the Home button. Smith's Detection recommends cleaning the cell. You'll need to remove the tube holder module to clean the cell. Hit the Continue button to clean the cell. The software will turn on the pump and purge the system. For high concentrations, you can use the Tedlar bag to acquire your sample. With our sampling pump, you simply attach to the outlet with an empty tube holder assembly engaged to complete the loop. Turn the pump on, go into the hot zone, and acquire your sample. Once the Tedlar bag is full, you are ready for your analysis. Take your Tedlar bag and attach it to your Tedlar bag module. Open the fitting and attach your Tedlar bag module to your GasID system. Again, the green light indicates the module is engaged. An activated charcoal cartridge has also been supplied to filter the outlet. Now you're ready to begin your analysis. See for yourself. To schedule a personal demonstration of the GasID, call toll-free 888-473-6747 or email us at danberry@smithsdetection.com.